Hey friends, today I want to share my inspirational story with you. It's about my train ride to London with two girls who didn't speak English very well. I was on the train with my English teacher Thompson when we noticed these two girls sitting in front of us. They were struggling to speak English, but they were determined to improve their skills. Thompson suggested that we help them out by striking up a conversation. At first, they were shy and hesitant, but we soon had them laughing and chatting away. We taught them some new words and phrases, and they taught us some words in their own language. It was a great learning experience for all of us. But the funniest part was when one of the girls tried to say smile. She kept saying smell instead. We all burst out laughing and couldn't stop giggling for ages. In the end, we arrived in London feeling happy and inspired. We had made new friends and helped them improve their English skills. So friends, remember that learning a new language can be fun and rewarding. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and always keep smiling, even if you accidentally say smell instead of smile.